Ad+ is the software for technical and communication professions. It simplifies the organization of digital content, allowing you to store, manage, and share it in a paperless way. Based on a multi-dynamic method, it automatically generates multi-link landing pages, which you can use to create an effective archiving system communicating with web pages, links, attached files, vCards, or all of these together. What makes it so effective? Each landing page is customizable and can be shared with your team, and sets no limits for editable content. You can organize lists, manage deadlines, and trace documents with automatically associated QR codes. You can label a single document to view 1,000 directly from your smartphone. Ad+ is already all this,